Hello and welcome on this beautiful day to 103 Elwyn Lane, Unit 1. It's located here in Columbia off of Greystone. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home with an open backyard and porch. Let's go take a look. All right, we are now in the backyard. Here you have the porch that I mentioned earlier in the video, and also a storage closet right there as well. And here is the back side of the home. And this slide door leads into the dining room portion of the home. And with that being said, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in through the front door, you have your living room right here. Also your windows that look out into the front of the neighborhood. Also your hallway down there. And here is the view from the other side. That door right there is the half bathroom. You have your single vanity right here, and also your toilet right there. Here is the slide door that I mentioned earlier, and also you have your ceiling fan right there. Right next to it, you have your kitchen. You have your smooth top stainless steel stove right here, and right across you have your dishwasher and refrigerator. Also a nice dark brown wood cabinets, and also the flooring. Right next to the dining room portion, you have your washer and dryer connections right here. And we're going to make our way through the kitchen. Have a window that looks out into the backyard right here in front of the sink. And we're going to go ahead and enter the hall and to bedroom number 1. It is carpeted. And also you have a window that looks out into the front yard as well. And also you have your closet right here. Coming out of bedroom number 1. Right next to bedroom number 1, you have bedroom number 2. Same exact style. And also, I would say about the same space. This one maybe be a slightly bigger, but you have your window right here and your closet right here. Coming out of bedroom number 2, and it is carpeted right here as well, all throughout, except for the kitchen. You have your linen closet right here right before you get to the bathroom, and here you have the bathroom. You have your single vanity right here. Also your toilet and shower and tub combo. And also right here you have a pretty long mirror right there. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 103 Elwyn, and that's Unit 1, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Also, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. Take care.